At Furmano's, we believe great food starts with great purpose. For over a century, our story has been rooted in faith, family, and a commitment to nourishing communities.
Grandpa and Grandma, like everybody else, had to survive. They had a farm, so they started growing various crops and stuff. And the one year, there was just an abundance of tomatoes, and when they took them to the market, everybody in the area had too many tomatoes, and the man said, hey, bring them back in the winter and we'll take as much as you want. So they brought them back to the kitchen, canned them, 21 dozen jars, and that's how it all started.
With just $300 and a good horse, Furmano Foods was born.
The company certainly changed as we've grown. It started out with JW and Emma and their 7 children, and then neighbors in the community, and eventually, the company's grown and grown. I can remember walking as a child with my dad through the operations and how he knew everybody's name and backstory, and they were a small, tight-knit group. We still care for our team, and we still really want our team to be successful and know that they're appreciated and know that we couldn't do everything we do without them. So the way that we care for each other, the way that we're connected and appreciate one another hasn't changed.
We went from a tomato manufacturer to the bean expert. We're always going to be tied to the tomatoes because that's what started the company. But beans have really pushed the growth of this company. As the company expands and as the company grows, we are going to be able just to give that much more back into the employees, into the community, and most importantly, back into God's work.
The customers used to be our neighbors. We have that same kind of attitude about our customers, even though they're all across the country. We want to serve them like our neighbors because that's the way that we do business.
It's amazing to think that we've been in business for over 100 years, and while the future is unknown, the things that I know will stay the same and really hope to see stay the same is that we'll be stewards of this business. We'll give glory and honor to God for all that He's blessed us with. We'll continue to care for and genuinely appreciate our team and all that they do to help us be successful. And then we're going to serve our customers and give them amazing quality products, and we will find a way to continue to grow this business into the future.
At Furmano's, heritage is more than a history. It's a tradition we live by every day. Guided by our values, we invest in our community, our team, and support those in need, from the quality ingredients we produce to the lives we touch. With over 350 jobs created and billions of servings produced each year, we're not just making food, we're making an impact. Rooted in faith, growing with purpose, and committed to doing things the right way, we serve with heart, because that's how you honor a legacy that's nourished generations.